Hey guys, welcome back. You know where you are. If you're new, you're watching Davy Sway TV. So this video here is going to be really short. I decided to start recording after I was like, hey, I should make a video on this. But it turned out really good. And right here, I am just brushing my lashes up. And I have my mother-in-law in the background, and I have my mom in the bathroom as well. We're actually getting ready for my graduation. And this is like my fourth time trying these individual lashes. So I had to watch another YouTube video, slow it down, and learn how to do it. So before you guys leave this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So here I'm just kind of getting the mirror set up on how I need it. And we're just going to go in with this spoolie and brushing it up. I did not curl my lashes previously. My face and my lashes are clean. This is the kit that I am using. So at this point here, I believe I'm just putting the glue into the little circle pieces to where I can dip the hairs in. So after I dip the hairs in the glue, I just kind of blew it a little bit so it can get tacky like I would do regular lashes. So it can stick a little bit better. Because before I was putting too much glue and it would stay too wet to where it wouldn't stick to the lashes. So right here, I kind of pulled my eye a little bit so I can get it right on that line. If you can see, I put it right on that line. I was like, okay, I was kind of feeling myself a little bit because I was like, your girl got it. So it was kind of, I would say, a little difficult, but I used the tweezers and my hands to kind of manipulate it to stay on there. Some I had to take off and re-put on. But you guys will see the end result. It does come out cute. And this one right here is already starting off bad. Like it's like leaning to the side, and I'm trying to get it to stay straight. So I took it off, cleaned it off, and I had to reapply it. So I'm thinking I didn't add enough glue that the first time. Or I might have didn't let it dry good enough first. Not dry all the way, but just dry enough to where it was tacky. And right here, I just pulled the eyelid once again, kind of taut to set that lash right in that crease right there. And I just set it there because it was looking straight. And then I just took the tweezers and I just smashed it down a little bit. I was like, cool, it stays straight. So let me just press it in there, make sure it's good. But the thing was, it didn't even last overnight. Like they lasted for the day for what I needed them for, but overnight, like when I got up in the morning, like I had 2 or 3 on the floor, I had a few in the bed. But if you guys have any tips or tricks on how to get these to stay at least 3 to 4 days, let me know in the comment box below, and I'll definitely try that out for next time. But also what I was thinking about as well too, like if I was to just take a regular lash band, like just regular lashes, put that glue on there because it's supposed to stay for a while, and try it with a full lash band. I wonder how that would look. But I guess that could be for a different video. So guys, make sure you don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. And I'll let you guys finish watching this up. Alright guys, bye.